that you do secure your channel correctly to prevent your channel from getting hacked. And I'm going to be going over how to do that in the security measures of this course. And you're going to want to especially make sure that you have a very secure password for your Google account and your YouTube channel. So make sure that you do that, and you can simply put in a password that you'd like right now. However, once we do get to that security measures point, I'm going to show you how to get a secure password and implement it, and you can always change your password in the future as well. So going from right here, as you can see, we have this all filled out right here, and then we can simply click next. And then it'll bring us to this screen right here where it will ask for a phone number, which is optional, as well as the email address, which is optional. But what's not optional is your birthday. So you're going to want to put your birthday in right here. And then you can put in a gender right here, or just choose rather not say, and then click next. And then it'll bring up the privacy and terms right here, and you can scroll down and simply click I agree right here. And you can choose things like if you don't want to save your YouTube history, and I typically do that, but there's a few things that you can do right here. Don't save my web and app activity in my Google account. You can choose just a couple of these things right here if you'd like, just for some privacy reasons. And once you go through here and everything looks good, you can simply click I agree. And then from here, our Google account is all set up. So now that our Google account is set up, now